Hello everyone. Today in this video we're talking about security testing and the rest of the topics are WAFOOF, target scope, spidering, OWASP and its categories, Zoom, DNS loader, cross-site scripting and its types. WAFOOF, it's a popular Python program that takes the fingerprint of a website firewall off your hands based on the responses to a series of carefully crafted web requests. WAFOOF can underlay firewall used by service that is probes. Target scope lets you to tell per at shoot level wide exactly what host and URL constitutes the target of your current work. It targets on the items that you're currently interested in willing to work. The scope definition uses two lists of URL matching. One is include and exclude. Spidering. Spidering is another term for mapping or crawling. This mapping exercise is necessary to uncover the folders or links or any target application in addition to crawl like Spider. Spider or can almost submit forms in any OWASP stands for Open Web Application Security Project. It is a non-profitable foundation dedicated to improving the security of a software. OWASP is a repository of all things web application security, backed by extensive knowledge and experience of its open. OWASP operates under open community model, where anyone can participate in it and contribute to the projects, even online chats and more. OWASP is the material that information are freely and easily accessed on their website for everyone. What are the latest OWASP top categories? What are the solutions available? Number one, injection. A code injection is a method like when invalid data is injected into a web application by an attacker. The attacker intent is to doing so make the application do something with sensitive data exposure. When important data is stored or transmitted is compromised, is known as sensitive data exposure. XML external entities. Attackers are able to take advantages of a publication. Zoom. Zoom is a lightning-fast WordPress vulnerability scanner equipped with subdomain and infinite username enumeration. It doesn't support plugin and theme enumeration at the moment. Zoom can be used in two ways. One is manual mode and automatic mode. In manual DNS load balancer, it is a practice of configuring a domain in a domain name system, such as client request to the domain or distributed across a group of server machines. A domain can be correspond to website, mail, print a server, or another service which is made accessible via internet. Cross-site scripting. Attacks are the type of injection in which malicious scripts are injected into your trusted websites. Attackers occur when an attacker uses a web application to send malicious code, generally in the form of browser-side script, to different end user. Flash reflected scripting. It's a non-persistent scripting. The attacker's payload has to be a part of a request that is sent to the web server. It is then reflected back in such a way that HTTP response includes the payload from the HTTP request. Attackers use malicious DOM-based scripting. It is an advanced scripting attack. It is possible if web application's client-side scripting write data provided by the user to the document object model. The data is subsequently read from the DOM by the web application and outputted to the browser. If the data is incorrectly handled by